Hey friends, what's up? So today my webcam is not working. What? Come on, webcam. Yes, there you are. And I also forgot to set up my screen. There we go. Now you can't see what's behind the curtain. I must be distracted because there's a really cool thing happening today, ReactConf. I'm so excited. If you're not planning on, or the reason that we're doing this now instead of my normal time is because ReactConf is starting in like 30 minutes, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be great. So yeah, watch ReactConf. So this is my last live stream for a little while. I'm gonna be off of the grid soon, and totally unavailable, having a good time with my family. Don't worry though. The support team that is supporting testingjavascript.com, they will still be available to help you with any technical problems that you have with the course. But yeah, so it's been an amazing week. I honestly can't believe the response that I've gotten on testingjavascript.com. It's I mean, I worked like really hard on this. This has been a huge effort, over 100 egghead style videos. So I'm really happy with what we've accomplished here. Yeah, so I'm just super excited about that. I just wanted to show this huge wall of tweets of people tweeting about testingjavascript.com. And just searching testingjavascript.com, and just like an amazing number of people have given shout outs about the course, and I couldn't be happier with the response that I've gotten. Also, another thing that you should definitely check out is the Spectrum chat for testingjavascript.com. It looks like there have been a couple updates since I checked it yesterday, so I'll be going through those. But yeah, it's been awesome. Thank you, everybody, for all of that. Here, I'm going to paste this in the chat so people can find it directly. This is a great opportunity for you to both help and be helped in the community around testing. Here's my big secret. Lots of people think that I know a lot about JavaScript, about testing, about Webpack, or like all these things. But the real secret is I do like it's not all false. But the real secret is that I spend a lot of time helping other people, and that forces me into learning about things that I wouldn't alternatively have spent time learning. So my recommendation to you, if you want to really solidify your understanding of JavaScript and testing and whatever it is you want to solidify your understanding of, spend some time helping other people, because it'll force you into problem spaces that you may like, that you probably wouldn't have found otherwise. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say today. Thanks everybody for being so great. It looks like I've got a couple questions coming in here, so I'll switch over to answering those questions. So, actually, one question I want to make sure I answer. If you are looking at testingjavascript.com right now and it does not look like this, it doesn't have the pro testing, standard, basic, whatever. If it doesn't have these at all, then what you need to do is you'll open developer tools. So you can go like this, more tools, developer tools, and then you go to application, go to clear storage, and click clear site data. Then refresh, and it should be there. You should be set to go. There was a bug in a dependency of a dependency of a dependency called Workbox that was responsible for creating our service worker. That bug has been fixed, but there's no really easy way for us to ship that fix to everybody who already has that bug in their browser. So it's really unfortunate. I know that there are ways, but we're so terrified of service workers now that we are worried that anything we do will just make it worse. So we're not going to do anything about it. Most people have gotten it cleared up by now, hopefully. So yeah, I wanted to make sure that I mentioned that. Another thing that a lot of people are asking about is the pricing. So this is the lowest we'll ever do for the sale on this course. We're not some Udemy where it's like, oh yeah, this course is $300, but you can get it for 20. We're not gonna do that. And this course is worth way more than $20. The thing is, like, maybe one of these courses, maybe this course right here by itself is worth $20. I don't know. I think, but we're packaging it all up so it's a really comprehensive experience for you. And so yeah, it's never going to be it's never going to be less than that. That said, we are working on purchase power parity for the standard and basic testing plans. We're not going to do that for the pro testing plan, but we will do it for the standard and basic testing plans. Another thing that I'll mention is I'm actually not responsible for the pricing or the technology that is like this is built on. I created the content. I was responsible for getting all the interviews and all of that stuff. But the pricing and the infrastructure, everything, that's all taken care of by Egghead. And so, yeah. Let's see, there was one other thing about this. Yeah, so this is as low as you're ever going to see this course being. So get it now. So yeah, and the early bird ends, this 40% discount ends the end of tomorrow. So talk to your boss ASAP. Oh yeah, and we're working on team licenses. I'm not sure how those are going to be. Like I said, I don't make these decisions. But yeah, we will have team licensing available soon. And yeah, hopefully today or tomorrow. I think that's the goal. Okay, let's check out some of these questions that y'all are asking me. Bring that over here. Bump that up. Okay, thanks. Talked about team pricing. Thank you. Is there a dog picture newsletter I can subscribe to? Yeah, no. Oh, that's another thing I should say. So lots of I've noticed that people are unsubscribing from my newsletter in droves. Like tons and tons of people are unsubscribing because I've been sending out a newsletter every single day. That's just the way that launches go. I'm not too concerned. Feel free to unsubscribe. Normally my cadence is once a week on Monday mornings. After this launch, and I'm going to return back to that cadence until my next course launch. That's just how my newsletter runs. And if that's like not your jam, then that's fine. Feel free to unsubscribe, but you could resubscribe again after this week is over. But yeah, lots of people have been like complaining to me about that, and I'm like, all right, I'm not going to change how I'm doing this. The thing is that I've done a lot of releases of material. And every single time, like the day after or minutes after the promotion is over, people come to me and say, I missed it. And I'm saying, how could you have missed this? I've been like talking about it nonstop for weeks or whatever, like Twitter and everywhere. You missed it. How did you miss it? You've been following me for like 2 years and you missed, how could you miss it? So that's why I'm so persistent and like tweeting and everything, because people are not constantly on Twitter and they don't read everything that I write. And so I'm persistent to reach as many people because I feel bad when people miss things like this. Okay. Yeah, Max is great and I like Spectrum. Will it be possible to download the interview videos? If it's not already, then that's actually kind of surprising. Here, actually, I have access to these. It looks like we do not have that capability as of yet. My guess is that we're not totally done with this page. I'm pretty sure we're going to have more on here. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully that's coming on eventually. Workbox is great. What's your opinion? I've actually never used Workbox. The only experience I've had with Workbox is when it destroyed JavaScript or testingjavascript.com. So my opinion is it's open source software, and open source software has bugs, and that's life. Yeah, I guess it's great. I've never used it personally. I've been able to download the course videos already. Sweet. Getski will save us by showing us how to tame service workers. Yes, he will. Let's see. Finish watching my course today. Sweet. That is a long course. Hey, you're Vitaly. Vitaly? I'm not sure how to say your name, but thank you for your pull request on React Testing Library. There's a problem with the automated release, and so it hasn't been released yet. I'm going to be working on that today, but thank you. So what Vitaly did was he was able to figure out how React works with its event system for 3 specific events, where before, like, we had to override fire event.select and mouse enter and mouse leave or something like that, so that we could and we overrided it with simulate because React wasn't working with those events, and he figured out what React actually is looking for when it fires those events on your components, which is great. So thank you. Is there a way to upgrade to the pro tier? There is a way to upgrade. You'll probably want to do that, I think, before the this sale is over, because yeah, when the sale's over, then you'll have to pay the difference of the full price. So send an email to help@testingjavascript.com if you can't get that figured out, and then I'll take care of you. What does purchase power parity mean? It basically is referring to, oh yeah, here Aaron answered this question. Yep. What is a service worker for? Service worker. Okay, so we created this website on Gatsby. We used Gatsby to create it. Gatsby's amazing. Gatsby, the default starter comes with the Gatsby offline plugin, which is awesome. And so we're like, yeah, like, why not? We can have it available, like the web app available offline. We're not going to download the videos in the browser offline or anything, but the site, sure, why not? And so that was the thinking, because it was just already included, but then this bug showed up and it messed everything up and it was a nightmare. So we removed the service worker. We don't really need it anyway. Okay, I've made a collection of all your newsletters. Oh, good. Have fun with that. What is going on? I don't know. What's going on with you? We're gonna, I'll turn over to React Conf livestream here in a minute, and we're all purchasing this course because it's amazing. That's what's going on. Okay, pleasure to watch the videos talking about React. Is there any possibility to show something about React Native? No, I don't do React Native, but there is a cool library called React Native Testing Library that is very similar in many ways to React Testing Library, and I think you'll love it. So if you are doing React Native and you're thinking about getting this course, I definitely recommend you get the course, because you're going to learn a ton of stuff that will be applicable. You'll just swap out React Testing Library with React Native Testing Library, and you're off to the races. All right, I'm going to jump out. This was fun. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing week for testingjavascript.com. I've just been blown away. Super, super happy with how things have gone. I hope that you're all like doing awesome and stuff. Oh, any plans to come to Europe or London? Not right now. I have 4 small children, and it's hard to leave for such a long time and so far away. But maybe in a couple of years, when they're a little older, we can bring them all. I don't know. Yeah, thank you, everybody. I'm going to jump out. It was great, and we'll see you around. Peace.